It's your main man, Keep It Clean Ray, coming back with another vid. Y'all see the vibes, man. Got that Uncle Drew. Got that Uncle Drew on, so you know what I got in here. But I want to talk about this first. Man, look how my box come, man. This how my box came FedEx. Somebody already looking in the shoes, like you can tell. Look how they folded that back. You know what I'm saying? That's what I'm saying, like, look at this shit. But they going in here, pull that off. Know what time it is. That's some Kyrie's. Oh, I got an Uncle Drew shirt on. Oh yeah, we gon' see what's going on. Ooh, look at that box. Y'all look graffiti in there. All look Kyrie, little artwork, little drawings and stuff, whatever you got going on. They got a procedure going on over here. We're gonna flip that back. He been out for, I think, for probably like a month now, I don't know, but I like it. Now we're gonna try to put these on foot real quick. See how it goes. You see, they kind of give me, to a certain degree, I like Penny Hardaway. They kind of give me some of that Penny Hardaway vibe, man. You got that blue and black on them, man, you know. But Nike do it right, I'm all in. Yeah, I like the little detailing in the sneakers and stuff like that. So yeah, what model is this? What year is this? Oh, this is the 7. This is the Kyrie 7. I got them in the size 13. So they look kind of snug a little bit. And I wanted to make sure I ain't get no 12 and a half. And I got to break them in a little too tough. But y'all already know how I do it. I'm going to unlace them real quick. Right, not unlace them, just kind of loosen this up. See how these feel. They feel like garbage. I'm going to take it back to the nice stuff. Yeah, y'all know I'm on PFG looking like an Olympic joint, right? See what we talking about. Ooh-wee! Thing feel good. Thing feel good. I don't know, man. I don't know, bro. I might hit my let me know. I have to go drop. I have to go drop some people out. I have to give me a little hoop session going. About that time. Got to hold the shirt on. I'm through. Shit, all I need now is a little basketball. Oh yeah. Oh yeah, these things feel good. These things feel good. It's we're going ahead and tie these on up. We're gonna see what's really going on here. Y'all know what time it is.
Yeah. Hey man, hashtag real spill, man. New entertainment. Perk, boy, you killed this thing, dog. You know we finna match it. Let go. Hey. Oh yeah. 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 Hey. Oh yeah. 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 Hey. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Oh yeah.
Jump on the track, murdering. Go on attack, emergency. They got my back urgently. Boy, you be capped, perjury. Girl, that's a fact, certainly. Ho, go to bed, nursery. We bout to turn vertically. Man breaking backs, burglary. T got the pack, Hercules. G got the crown, circling. And Flip got the queens, mergering. And Ray got them all twerking in. We having fun, personally. So this one big run, first go in. Haircut the track, surgery. And stick by the snap, perfectly. Here we go, once again. My dogs, my friends. No hoes, no lows, just highs. We too wise. These guys know the skies. Can't be tried, or we slide. In the papers, we the capers. We the reason why they motherfuckers hate us. Don't debate us if you hate us. Y'all act real lame, act real sus. Can't help that. Y'all real cap, better accept that. When you get slapped, I mean that, I seen that. Nigga Ray hit you hard, make your queen laugh. With your green ass, get no pass, pull a strap, and that's your ass. Oh yeah, yeah, oh yeah, yeah. Hashtag real spill.
You already know, man. I'm on the gram. Shout said we look like a
Let's go, bro.
Hell, man. Right. Good, yeah.
Come on, man. My mind on my mission. I'm riding down Venetian. About to bust a left on Camelton. I'm headed to the billions. I ain't playing, I ain't kidding. You can't see me, I got vision. I'm posted on my pivot. If you with it, dog, let's get it. Hey. Coming from the slums to residuals. The definition of nothing to something is you feeling it. One soul. I'm no stranger to danger. I'm on my tiptoes, sailed on the swivel. I'm minding my kibbles. Inside my mind ain't nothing but scribbles. ISO Joe, I'm all on my dribbles and drip drops and flip flops. Kicking these limericks and riddles, perfect prose and precision. Switch up the lesson, I give it to you straight up.
I'm out here grinding for
you can catch it from a distance.
Hey, ain't got no time for you silly hoe. Whoa, I'm out here grinding for a trilly hoe. Hey, and if you try me, I'ma drill a hole. Whoa.
Pockets on E and my attitude bad. About that motherfucking money, I'ma show my black ass. I'm not the same nigga, hell, you met me in the past. If you capping with the cash, you gon' make a nigga spaz. Shit, it's 2 o'clock gang, think I'm Tupac, man. My ambition as a rider is the reason I'm insane. Probably thought I was a lame till you try me like a bitch. Hit you with a right hook, make a nigga DJ flip.
I'm out here grinding for a silly hoe. Hey, ain't got no time for you silly hoe. Whoa, I'm out here grinding for a trilly hoe. Hey, and if you try me, I'ma drill a hole. Whoa.
I'm trying to get a billy, I'm ballin', I need me a 30 for 30 like Jordan and Pippen. Can I get the witness? I might drill a hole for the fam like they pay me to mount television. Good repetition and real nigga shit. I'm G-Buck on cruise, my mind on the mission. The Navy taught me how to shoot with precision. I pop off the top from the top of the building. It's come with the mount just to mop up the drip. I have it sauce like the niggas from Wendy. Like my name is Dennis and bitch, you be chopping my brain. But this is the mind of a menace. Before you do me, nigga, go do your sense. I fire these bitches like Trump on the apprentice. I am stupendous. Trying to think I'm Tony Hawk, cause nigga, my grind is terrific.
I'm out here grinding for a billy hoe.
I'm feeling these joints, man. These motherfuckers feel good, man. Just shooting around in. I can't wait to play in them. I've had Kyrie's in the past. I think I had the 3s and the 4s. I really didn't care for either one of them. They didn't fit my feet pretty good, but these actually fit a lot better for some reason. But you know, they advance the technology as the years go, so you know, especially Kyrie getting older too, so I'm sure they're trying to make sure he get the best technology when he hooping. You know what I'm saying? But yeah, I'm definitely feeling these. Got a little Uncle Drew sweat in here just for shooting around. Yeah, I'm gonna have to edit this video down. I ain't gonna be able to put all this stuff in there. I'll make sure I put a few in there. But yeah, this your main man, keep it clean, Ray. Keep checking out my vids. I'm off my 10-day detox. I detox for 10 days. It's my first day of a modified diet. So them Chef Ray Ray videos coming soon. Trying to figure out, I might start out with shrimp and grits, start simple. You know what I'm saying? Then we'll pick it back up with the Gucci stuff. Peace.
Up under me, gripping on the wheel, thinking about the meal, stay off in the field. Like a referee, told that nigga keep it bitch behind me. Good big bang roll, bring a lot of hoes.